Ooh, look what we got here. We got a leading coefficient. It's not even equal to 0. This is crazy. We're going to solve by factoring. Rainbow method, awesomeness, right? Using factor by grouping. Let's go. Alrighty. So I first need to set this equal to 0, don't I? I do. So I'll have 5x squared plus 7x minus 6 equals 0. Now I need to multiply my 5 and my 6, right? Okay, so that's negative 30. That's what I want to multiply to. I want to add to 7. So how about 10 and negative 3? That sounds good. 10 times negative 3 is negative 30. They add up to 7. We're ready to rock and roll. We're flying through this one. So I got 5x squared plus 10x minus 3x minus 6 equals 0. Time to group them. Group the first two, group the last two. I want to include that sign with that negative 3. Here's why. After I go ahead and take out my GCF for the first one, which is 5x. I'll be left with x plus 2. Now, if that lead term of the second group is negative as well, or is negative, I'm going to take that out with it. So I'd have negative 3, and then I'll have x plus 2. Cool. Equals 0. All right, now I've got 5x minus 3, and I have x plus 2. Whether you do them, 5x minus 3 times x plus 2 or x plus 2 times 5x minus 3, it does not matter. Multiplication is commutative. I'm going to set them both equal to 0 anyways and get my solution. So I'll have 5x minus 3 equals 0, x plus 2 equals 0, and I'll have x equals, whoa, I got excited. I started writing my 3 over 5, and x equals negative 2. Boom. Boom diggity. That's what I'm talking about. Jenny, you loving that? Oh, she's loving that. That's fantastic stuff. All right, let's try one more. Let's do it. We'll do 2 in this one. We were moving quick. All right, I got 4x squared minus 9x plus 2. What the heck's going to happen here? Same idea. All right. 4 times 2, that's going to be 8. And I want to add to negative 9. That would be negative 8, and negative 1 would do the trick. A lot of times we forget about that when it's just the number and 1 to make it happen. We don't see it that often, so we kind of forget about it. All right, so I've got 4x squared minus 8x minus 1x plus 2 equals 0. All right, so now group them. Ooh, there we go. And group them. So I've got 4x is going to come out, and I'll be left with x minus 2. And then in this one, it's weird. It's like doesn't look like a GCF, right? There's no common number I can take out. I got to at least take out 1. If there's nothing I can take out, I got to take out 1. This time I got to take out a negative 1. If we remember, I took out that negative with it. So negative 1 comes out, and I'm left with x minus 2. Ooh, that's good, because now my 2 binomials, those 2 bad boys, match. And I'm going to have 4x minus 1, and we'll have x minus 2 equals 0. So I'll have x, hold up, don't want to jump the gun here. We've got to go with 4x minus 1 equals 0. X minus 2 equals 0. I want to show that work. Right? Add 1, divide by 4, I'll get 1/4. Here, I guess I'm skipping steps and not showing work. And here I got positive 2 if I add 2. Woo! That was awesome. Wasn't it, Jenny? Jenny loved it. She loved it. All right, you guys have a good one. America Freedom, Rock and Roll, Costco, Riverdog, Jenny on the gram. Peace.